Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Eric from Tech. So if you can see on my table, I've got another phone here. I guess it's pretty clear what it is. It's the OnePlus 7 Pro. Wanted to give this one a try for quite a while. I've done a review on the gaming phone, so this can be considered a gaming phone since it has the Snapdragon 855. And as their motto says, go beyond speed. So we'll find out more on my in-depth review, but for now, let's unbox this thing. Alright, doesn't look like I need my pocket knife for this one, so let's just slide this thing off. That's pretty tight. And let's see what's in the box. I've always liked the OnePlus design on their boxes. I've had the OnePlus 6 before, and I like the red on white. So, and there's the phone. Let's just put that aside for now, and let's see what else comes in here. Right, so you've got the clear case. In a pinch, this will do, but never been a fan of included clear cases. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I'd rather get a UAG, a Spigen, or anything with more protection. But that's maybe just me. Alright, so I'll put that aside for now. There's the phone, never settle. And yep, as you guys guess, it's an in-display fingerprint. So let's see what else is in the box. Alright, it says warp charge. Okay, so you can lift it up. And there's your warp charger. You see? This is 30 watt, I believe, 5x6. Yep, it's their warp charger in the box. So, and their cable. I've always liked the red cable that comes with the OnePlus. Right, let's put that aside and let's get to the phone. All right. Just a quick rundown on the specs. This is running the Snapdragon 855, not the Plus, and it comes in 6, 8, and 12 gig RAM variants with storage at either 128 and 256. It has a 4000 mAh battery, but no official IP rating on this one, and unfortunately no headphone jack as well. Pricing is as follows. The 6 and 128 is around $669. The 8256 is $699. And the 12256 comes in at $749. Turn that on for now. There's the OnePlus logo, powered by Android. Okay, so we're greeted with the setup screen. First thing I noticed, it's all screen, so no notch at the top. I guess that has to do with the pop-up camera. Not sure if you can see it clearly. Yep. So let's do a quick setup on this thing. Yep, let's read that. User experience, yep, I'm in. System stability program, I'm in there. Push notifications, alright, I'm in for now. I don't have a SIM card in this, so let's skip that. And let's just connect the Wi-Fi real quick here, guys. Let me put in my Google account real quick here. So let's use the fingerprint. Let's set that up for now so we can do a quick test. Hang on, guys. Put the pin in. Alright, fingerprint setup. Let's see how well it does. Alright, and that's done. Fingerprint added. The next on that. No thanks, set that up later. And no thanks. Let's keep it on vivid. Okay, I've always been a fan of that. And there it is. It's an all-screen phone, so you can appreciate how big the phone is. So the screen feels like you're holding an all-screen phone, to be honest. Let me get the ROG 2 real quick here, guys, to do a quick size comparison. Well, the ROG is much longer, but it's basically almost the same screen size. It's easier to hold the OnePlus 7 Pro compared to the ROG. This is a bit long and a bit unwieldy since it is a lot bigger. Let me get the Red Magic 3 and do a size comparison. Alright, this one is visibly longer as well. It has to do with the chin here and the bezels on the Red Magic 3, whereas the OnePlus 7 Pro does not have any of those bezels. It's basically all screen. Let's see on white background so you can get a better look how it is. Basically, it's almost the same screen size on the OnePlus 7 Pro and this one. Right. Let's do another quick size comparison with the Black Shark 2 Pro. So you can see Black Shark 2 Pro is a lot smaller than the OnePlus 7 Pro. It is one of the smaller phones in the gaming phone lineup, only at 6.4 inch. So let's see what else we can test on. Okay, one other thing that I wanted to test initially on this is the sound quality. So let's see if I can shoot up YouTube and do a comparison. And let's not update it for now and go to my usual music test. Hang on, guys. Right, so one thing that I've always liked on the OnePlus 7, not sure if you can see it clearly, is that slider. So you can basically put it on vibrate, ring, and then silent, similar to what Apple is doing, but that one only has mute on and off. This one you can set it to vibrate. So for the first time, OnePlus 7, the OnePlus series has a speaker setup, stereo speaker setup. I mean, you get the left and right front firing speakers, so the sound is very loud and clear. Let me get the ROG 2 here for comparison, since I still feel that phone has the best speaker on the market right now. Oops, sorry. Let's go to YouTube. Alright, going back to the OnePlus 7 Pro. Alright, quick speaker test aside. Speaker quality is good. Speaker volume also gets up there, but nowhere near as close as the ROG 2 phone. That, in my opinion, is still the best smartphone speaker on the market right now. So if you're into watching videos or listening to music without a Bluetooth speaker hanging around in your pocket, then this is the phone to get. Media consumption is very good on that phone, especially with the large screen size and with the loud speakers. So let's see what else that we can test on this phone. So we've got a camera. Alright. And then I guess you all want to see the pop-up camera. Pop-up camera. Pop down. Pop-up. It's pretty quick. Alright. And let's see what are the specs on the phone. Alright, I got this phone in the 8 gig and 256 configuration. And if you can see, the camera setup is 48, 16, and 8 in front. So you've got an ultra wide on this one, and 3 times optical zoom on the phone, already running Android Pie. So let's do a quick YouTube test and see how big the screen is in comparison with the rest. Let's fire up one of my older videos here, guys. Good look myself, since I got the Asus Rog phone today. Actually was able to set it up with the Google Play Store. So if you can see here, when it's in full screen, the bezel at the top is a lot smaller than the bezel at the bottom. There is still a bit of a chin here, but not noticeable. And if you guys noticing, this is the nebula blue color. I've always been partial to blue, so I like this. And of course it's glass. One thing I miss about one thing I don't like about the OnePlus series of phones is that even though they've started using glass panels at the back, they still don't support wireless charging. On the other phones that have glass backs, namely the Samsung series, the S10 Plus, the S9 Plus, and even the Huawei, starting from the Mate 20 Pro, they've started providing support for wireless charging. So that's something I missed. So with this phone, you're stuck with using a USB-C cable for this one. But for the warp charge, basically OnePlus is claiming that you can charge it from 0 to 50 in just 20 minutes. I'll be doing another drain test, including this OnePlus 7 Pro in the lineup, and then I'll be doing a charge test and see if those claims are true. I'll probably do two tests, one with the screen on, one with the screen off, but I guess you guys have to wait for that. The drain test and charge test will usually take a lot of time to set up. So for now, if you notice as well, I've got a couple of cases on my table here. I went ahead and purchased the official cases, including the UAG plasma. So let's try the first one. Okay, this is the sandstone protective case. Alright, and I think I broke the box. Alright, let's see. Alright, it's open from the top and the bottom. Protection wise, I don't think I'm gonna be rocking this as my from day-to-day use, but it does help your phone retain its slimness. So it's one of the cases that if you're into, and since it says it's a sandstone protective case, it's a very rough finish. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. Anyway, it's good in the hand, doesn't feel like it's going to slip and at any time while you're holding it. But it's not for me. I've always been after protective cases, and this one is not very protective in my opinion. Of course, your pop-up camera is not going to be affected since it is wide open at the top. So nothing to impede that pop-up camera. Alright, let's put that aside for now. Okay, next one we've got is the nylon case. I don't want to break this box again. Hang on, guys. Okay, guys, there's a nylon case. Yep, you all know what nylon feels like, and this is it in a case form. Let's put that in. Alright, feels good in the hand. You got the cutouts at the bottom, speakers there. Buttons are clicky, and you've got access to the slider. Yeah, no problem getting to that. And you've got a small opening here for the camera. So let's just test that out. Okay, no problems with the pop-up camera. Okay, let's try the last one. It's a UAG case. It's a UAG Plasma series. Alright, let's remove this one. Okay, gotta say guys, this one feels good in the hand. It does give your phone a bit of bulk. You're actually losing the curve. Doesn't look as curved at the top and bottom. Basically, this is for your drop protection. So if you're gonna drop it on the side, you've got this cushion at the corners here. But still, you can see the slight blue at the back. If you want to see the full color of your phone, might as well get the the clear ice color. I'm not sure if that's available for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's close. There's your pop-up camera. Okay, and as you see, one of the things that they're promoting on the OnePlus 7 Pro is the 90Hz display. Not sure if it can be captured on camera, but let's go to that display real quick. Hang on. There. Screen refresh rate set at 90Hz. And as you all know, the ROG 2 phone is at 120Hz. So let's do a quick hard to tell the difference between 90 and 120, but going from 60 to 120 or 60 to 90, yeah, then you'll notice a big difference. So if you're rocking a regular phone that has 60 and then move to the OnePlus 7 Pro that has 90, or the ROG 2 that has double that at 120, then you will notice a difference from day to day. Alright, and one thing that I forgot to mention guys, this one has UFS 3.0. Not sure if it's mentioned anywhere here, but this is the faster memory. The two phones that actually has that right now, especially the gaming phones, is ROG 2 has it, the Black Shark 2 Pro has it, but the Red Magic 3 is stuck at UFS 2.0. From storage perspective, it's not really noticeable from day to day, but if you're after benchmarks, that's going to make a big difference. Quick news that I saw recently is that we've got the Red Magic 3S coming out pretty soon. That has the 855 Plus, so we'll see if I can get my hands on that and do a comparison with the older Red Magic 3. But for now, let's end this quick video here guys. It is just a quick unboxing and initial impressions of the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'll be doing a more in-depth review later on, and I'll be including this phone in my benchmark test and in my drain and charging test. So I'll get back to you guys. Let's end this video here. As always, like and subscribe, hit that bell icon notification, and see you all in my next one.